पुरुषाणां तु कः कर्ता प्राणजीवपरात्मसु कर्मेति चलने प्राणः जीवो पूर्वे विवक्षिते जगद्वाची कर्म शब्दः पुम्मात्र विनिवृत्तये तत्कर्ता परमात्मैव न मृषा वादिता ततः।
पुरुषाणां तु कर्ता प्राण जीव परमात्मसु कः। पुरुषाणां तु कर्ता प्राण जीव परमात्मसु कः। कर्म इति चलने विवक्षिते प्राणः अपूर्वे विवक्षिते जीवः। कर्म इति चलने विवक्षिते प्राणः अपूर्वे विवक्षिते जीवः। First subject is the karta of 16 purusha. That is the subject. Samshaya, doubt is, who is that? Is it Saha Purushanam? Which Purushanam? Adityadi 16 Purushanam. Is karta, creator. Is it prana? Is it jiva or Paramatma? And it says that in that is what this sutra vakya yo vai balake etesham purushanam karta. This is, without taking that vakya you will not know what that karma is. You will see that vakya in detail. Yasya vai etat karma. It is this much. The one who is the creator of 16 Purushas, whose this is the karma. Now what is that karma has to be ascertained. What is actually meant? Whose this is the karma means this jagat is the work done by him. ये इसका काम है बोलते हैं ना, ये इसका काम है means what is that काम? Whatever that is done. So of that creator of the 16 Purusha, this jagat is the karma, means what he created is this jagat and not only 16 Purusha. Because referred to as what? Creator of 16 Purusha. Not that creator created only the 16 Purusha, but this entire creation. So now, what is that karma? The word karma has to be asserted. If you take karma in terms of chalanatmakam karma, that which is subject to movement, then any chalanatmaka karma presupposes prana. Without prana, no kriya, no action possible. That is what it says, Vayatika. Karma iti chalane vivakshite. If karma word in the Sutra Vakya is taken as what? Chalana, kriya, movement, vivakshite, pranaha sa, karta will be who? Prana. Without prana, no chalana, no kriya is possible. Also, if you say karma means karma phala, no? You say karma phala, ayo my karma. What is your karma? Karma phala. If you take karma as karma phala belongs to whom? Jiva. So jiva orders the jagat. So therefore jiva as the bhokta becomes the karta of the jagat. So therefore says apurve means karma shabda is used in the sense of apurva means papa punya. Vivakshite, if it is that meaning is intended, you say it is what? Okay, Jivaha syat, Jivaha karta syat. Because Jiva is author of all the bhogyam, and therefore he is the one who orders Srita. This is what Pura Paksha. This is Pummatra vinivruttaye karma shabdaha jagadvachi ad syat. Pummatra vinivruttaye. Jagadvach karma shabdaha jagadvachi syat. See, if simply the Sutra Vakya says etesham purushanam karta, that karta gets limited to the creation of only 16 Purushas. So no, to remove this notion, Pummatra vinivrittaye, to remove the notion that creator is the creator karta of only 16 Purushas. Karma Shabda, which Karma Shabda? In that Sutra Vakya, Yasna Yasya Etat Karma, Etat Jagat is the Karma. Karma Shabda, Jagadvachi Syat. It speaks of what? Jagat. This Jagat is the Karma, the thing done by who? This Karta, Itisa. So, now, who is the Jagataha Karta? Paramatma, not Prana, not Jiva. So therefore, Tat Karta, Tesham Karta. Tesham means Purusha and Jagat. Of Purusha and Jagat Karta. Paramatma eva. Paramatma eva. Other reason is that if Ajatashatru were to tell the creator of only 16 Purushas, he will turn out to be a liar. You know why? He told to Balaki, I am teaching you Brahma. Brahma is the Jagat Karana. And he teaches someone who created 16 Purushas and not Jagat, will be a liar. So therefore he says, Tataha Vrishavadita na Ajatashatru will not get the blame of telling a lie. What is that lie? He had told Balaki, I will teach you Brahma. And what was taught was what? Someone who created the 16 Purusha. No, he said, take the sutra. Jagadvachistva. In that Sutra Vakya, Yo vai balake etesham purushanam karta yasya vai etat karma. We will take that Vakya. Karma savai veditavyaha. One who is the creator of this Jagat and whose creation, who is the creator of these 16 Purushas and this Jagat is whose creation. So that Purusha, that one, Karta, should be known. It is in this Vakya, Jagadvachitva. That Karma Shabda speaks of what? Jagat. Therefore, Karta Paramatma eva. Imagine, Karma Shabdasya, which Karma Shabdasya? In that Sutra Vakya, Jagadvachitva, because it speaks of that Karma Shabda in the Sutra Vakya, speaks of Jagat. Therefore, who is Karta? Paramatma eva. This is the meaning of this. Jiva Mukhya Prana Linga.
Jiva Mukhya Prana Linga.
Naiti Chet.
Naiti Chet.
Tad Vyakhyatam.
Tad Vyakhyatam.
So now, look at Pura Paksha like this. The Sutra itself. So look. Say, there are lingas, evidences to the effect that Jiva is described there, Mukhya Prana is described, and therefore Paramatma to be Veditavya is not correct. In the Sutra Vakya, in the Upanishad, there is clear-cut clue, clear-cut evidence, lingas of Jiva and Mukhya Pranas. and therefore Paramatma is not to be known, so either Jiva or Mukhya Prana is to be known. Iti che, if that is the doubt, Vyakhyatam. We have already answered you. Don't think this Balakya Adhikarana has descended suddenly from the heaven. Earlier there was Pratardhana Adhikarana from Kaushitaki Upanishad only, that neither Jiva nor Prana but Brahma is already asserted. So this Adhikarana is an extension of Pratardhana Adhikarana. Let it. Jiva Mukhya Prana Lingat na iti che. In Shruti, so there are lingas, evidences available about whom? Jiva, Shariraha, Jiva, or Prana, Mukhya Prana. So therefore, Shruti is not Brahmapara, na iti che. Shruti Brahmaparam na iti che says tad. Tad means tasyaha shrutehe. Tasyaha shrutehe. Which Shruti? Palaki Shruti. Brahmaparatvam. That it reveals Brahma. Vyakhyatam. Already told. Where? In Pratardhanadhikarana. That this Shruti speaks of Brahma was so proved earlier, where in Pratardhanadhikarana. So means, see how they are connected. It is not simply isolated things. Anyartham tu Jainihi Prashna Vyakyanabhyam Apicha Evam Eke Anvaya Jaiminihi tu Anyartham add Manyate, add Kutaha Prashna Vyakyanabhyam Apicha Eke Evam Apicha Eke Evam Jaimini tu Anyartham add Manyate Kutaha Prashna Vyakyanabhyam Apicha Eke Evam. Jaimini Acharya Manyate considers is what? The reference to Jiva and Mukhya Prana is for what? Anyartham, for a different purpose. What is the different purpose? Brahma Pratipatyartham. Brahma Pratipatyartham means Brahma Pratyartham means to gain Brahma. Kutaha? How come? How come he says so? He says, Prashna Vyakyanabhyam. If you consider and analyze questions and answers between Ajatashatru and Balaki, this is what gets revealed. Not only that, Apicha, and also Eke Evam. Eke Vatsajena. In Brihadaranyaka, Evam, like this only, question answer is there, and very clearly having specified Jiva, what is ascertained is Brahma. So corroboration. Not only based on the dialogue here, but dialogue there in Brihadaranyaka, and there clear-cut evidences as to what is unfolded is Brahma, with due mention of who? Jiva. So therefore, Acharya Jaimini considers so, it is correct.